Welcome. This short video is about how to access the new Analytics LTI tool that is in Canvas. So there are a couple of ways that you can access the new Analytics tool, and the first is you can click on the right hand side under your home page for your course and click on the new Analytics. The other option is that you can add it to your navigation bar on the left hand side. So to do that, we click on Settings, we click on Navigation at the top, and we scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should see the option for New Analytics. So we click on the three dots and we click Enable. So this will add it to our navigation at the top, and if we want to change the order, we can left click on anywhere on the bar and we're just moving it up in the order that we wish to see. So I'm going to put it third from the top just to make it nice and easy for this video. So once we're done, we always need to remember to save. Once we do that, you should see on the left hand side that we now have the new Analytics button added to our navigation bar. So if I click on that now, that will take us into the tool itself, and we'll see a few options across the top. We have a course grade, weekly online activity, students and reports. Now the whole purpose of this tool is to give you visibility with your students in your course. The main thing we will look at is how many times they've accessed your pages and who has accessed your pages. So if we click on weekly online activity, this will just give you a quick snapshot of at a point in time. So if we scroll back through here, we can see we have our date at the bottom, and we can see our average page views at the top and our average participation towards the bottom. So we can go back and we can see that over a time period at the bottom. Now if we keep scrolling down, we'll see we have in our resources section, we can see all our pages, assignments, discussions, and we can see how many students have access to it. We can also see the page views, so this count is of hits on the specific page, so we can see how many times it's been clicked on. And we also have the participations, so this counts the number of times students have contributed to a specific page. So these might apply more towards discussions or assignments. So this goes for pretty much every page that you have embedded in the course. The other option you have is you can select a specific student, and you can have them on the same graph as your total number of students. Now the other option you have over here is you can change your chart options. You can also download it as a zip file, and you can also email students. The other option we have across the top is if we click on students, we have the option to view the data based on a student. So for example, we can see how much time they've spent on it. In a percentage, we can see their last participation and the last page viewed. We can also see the number of times that they've clicked on a page as well. Right. So once again, we have an option to download this data. We could also message the student, but we can also just search specifically for a student. So this might come in handy if you decided to use this for a parent-teacher interview maybe. And the other option we have at the top is reports. So in the reports section, we can run a report based on missing assignments, late assignments, excused assignments, class roster, and course activity. So if you want to know more information about the actual report, if you just hover over and click on the eye next to the report, report. It just gives you a little bit of a snapshot of what data you can get from that report. And that's it for that's a brief introduction on new analytics. If you have any further questions, don't be afraid to send me an email. Thank you.